As a useful first step in seeking to solve the acknowledged skills shortage in cybersecurity, the Australian Computing Academy has unveiled school cybersecurity challenges. The $1.35 million national program will see cybersecurity taught to years 7 to 10 students for the first time in Australia. The program will be taught in conjunction with the compulsory digital technologies curriculum and aims to close the growing gap in cybersecurity awareness and skills amongst Australian students. The program includes 4 uniquely designed interactive challenges, the first of which introduces students to cybersecurity fundamentals and is accessible now by teachers and schools across the country. The project has been made possible by a novel cross-industry coalition, with the ACA working with the Australian Cybersecurity Growth Network, ANZ, Commonwealth Bank, the NAB, Westpac and British Telecom. These industry partners have brought real-life cybersecurity experience and expertise to the program, and the challenges have been developed and designed with the input of their security experts. According to Australian Cybersecurity Growth Network Cybersecurity Sector Competitiveness Plan, Australia will need 18,000 more cybersecurity workers by 2026, and the new program provides a step in the right direction to address that gap. I'm Courtney Love, and thanks for watching Industry Update News. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and visit Industry Update website for the full story.